Alright, so if you want to use Scribd without paying for a full subscription, yeah, there are still a few legal ways to access content for free or at least for a limited time. Let's go step by step, so you understand exactly how it works. First, check if Scribd is offering a free trial. New users often get temporary full access for a limited period. Create your account using email, Google, or Facebook. This activates your trial if it's available. Even without a subscription, Scribd allows free previews of many ebooks and documents, so you can still read partial content. Some user-uploaded documents are publicly accessible, so you can browse educational or shared files. If you're using a trial, save or download books so you can access them before it ends. Sometimes Scribd offers discounts or special deals for students or new users, so always check promotions. If you're looking for fully free reading, you can also explore public domain libraries or educational sites for textbooks and research materials. And yeah, that's how you can use Scribd without a full subscription using legal options like trials, previews, and free content.